Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of homemade electrolyte drinks, your secret weapon to staying hydrated and energized. We'll explore how simple, natural ingredients create powerful beverages that support your active lifestyle without the unnecessary additives found in many commercial options. Proper hydration is key to feeling your best, and we're here to show you how. Whether you're recovering from a workout, dealing with heat, or simply seeking better hydration, maintaining your electrolyte balance is crucial. These DIY recipes are a clean, natural alternative to sugary, store-bought options. You control what goes into your body, ensuring you get all the benefits without unwanted ingredients. It's healthier and more cost-effective. Join us as we unveil the top 5 homemade electrolyte drink recipes, transforming simple ingredients like sea salt and fresh fruit into hydrating powerhouses. Like this video if you're ready to upgrade your hydration, and subscribe for more health-focused tips. Electrolytes are essential minerals including sodium, potassium, and magnesium that keep our bodies functioning by supporting hydration, nerve function, and muscle health. They're vital for maintaining fluid balance and preventing dehydration. Creating your own electrolyte drinks allows you to control ingredients and avoid added sugars found in commercial sports drinks. With natural components like lemon juice, coconut water, and sea salt, you can fully customize your hydration. Kickstart your hydration with a vibrant citrus burst. Combine fresh orange and lemon juice, a powerhouse of vitamin C that supports your immune system. Add a pinch of sea salt to replenish sodium, and a drizzle of honey to balance the tangy flavor. This refreshing drink is also rich in potassium, crucial for muscle function. Next up, embrace tropical flavors with our coconut lime refresher. Coconut water is the star, a natural source of electrolytes like potassium. Mix it with the zesty punch of fresh lime juice and a dash of sea salt to enhance absorption. Optional honey adds sweetness. This crisp, hydrating blend is perfect for staying replenished on sunny days. Experience summer vibes with a watermelon electrolyte cooler. Blend juicy watermelon, which is over 90% water and contains L-citrulline to aid recovery. A squeeze of lime juice and a pinch of sea salt balance the natural sweetness, creating a simple yet profoundly thirst-quenching option that cools you from the inside out. For an antioxidant-packed option, try the Berry Boost Elixir. Muddle your favorite berries like strawberries and blueberries to release their juices. These berries fight oxidative stress. Combine them with tart lemon juice, sea salt, and a hint of honey for a naturally sweet, energizing kick that supports overall wellness. Finally, create a versatile electrolyte power punch. This recipe is all about customization. Start with your favorite fruits. Then add magnesium powder, which is vital for muscle and nerve function. Along with sea salt, you can create a balanced hydration solution tailored specifically to your body's needs and your personal taste. Which recipe are you excited to try? Share your favorite combos or tips in the comments below. Your feedback enhances our community's journey to better hydration. To make hydration effortless, batch prepare your chosen drinks. Store them in airtight jars in the fridge for up to 3 days. This simple prep ensures you have a healthy option ready to grab, helping maintain freshness and consistency with your hydration goals. When you're ready to head out, pour a serving into an insulated bottle. Adding ice right before you leave is the key to keeping your drink perfectly chilled and invigorating for hours, no matter where your day takes you. Upgrade your hydration routine with these homemade electrolyte drinks, blending incredible flavor with health benefits and convenience. Embrace this natural way to stay refreshed, replenished, and energized throughout your day, leaving sugary commercial drinks behind for good. Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed these recipes, please show your support with a like and share this video. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more delicious and health-forward recipes coming your way.